Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is so good to be here today. I don't know if you remember this, but sometimes when we were all together in morning assembly, I would say, "It's so good to be here," and everyone would say back, "It's great to be here." Let's try that this morning. Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. Nicely done. Hey, you might notice that I've got a sticker up here that says that it's Veterans Day coming up. We're going to talk about that today in our Virtue Honor. But first, let's start by honoring our country with the Pledge of Allegiance. So stand at attention. Stand up super nice and straight and tall. We're going to show how much we respect our country. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. Please have a seat. Show me a good slant. You're sitting up nice and straight. You're listening. You're tracking the speaker, which means you're watching me, which is super easy because I'm on the screen. So like I said, we're talking about Veterans Day. We've got that sticker up there. We're talking about our Virtue of the Week honor, which you can see on your screen also. And we're talking about this because we don't have school on Wednesday. Isn't that weird? Wildcat Wednesday this week? Not Wildcat Wednesday. Wildcat Wednesday this week is Veterans Day. And veterans means anybody who has been in the military and supported our country. Anyone who's been in the Army, the Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, and they've supported our country. Some of them have actually fought in wars, which is super scary, and they've actually fought to keep our country safe. Others have just helped in different ways during times of peace, and we wanted to really show them honor today. And I want to talk to you about what honor means. So look at this slide with me. Look at that flag just flowing in the breeze, and the big word honor. What honor means is like a really, really high level of respect, where you're showing someone that they are so super important to you. Not just kind of important, but that they are like very important. This is like you might have seen in a movie when somebody walks in to see the king or the queen, and they walk very straight, very quiet. That would be an example of showing honor. Like you're showing that that person is super, super special. What I want to talk to you about today and let you have a chance to talk about within your class is I just want you to let your class know if you know somebody who's in the military or who was in the military. So I'll start off. I know a few people who are in the military. My father-in-law is retired now, but when he was much younger, he was in the military, and he actually did serve our country during a time of war. So I want to honor my father-in-law this week. And you guys can go around and tell, who do you know who is either in the military or was in the military that you think we should be honoring this Veterans Day? Have a great day, Achieve.